everyone. I'm Dr. Charu Sethi from Unitas One Health Academy. Unitas is an organization that was started by Dr. Shikha Sharma, and the courses that we have in our academy are mainly the Vedic nutrition courses, the courses that believe in the principle of modern and Vedic nutrition. We have variety of Vedic nutrition courses ranging from the personal nutrition which can be done for own self. There are certain foundation courses which are the base courses, and other than that, we have many advanced courses. Not only that, we have association and we have collaborations with many organizations, and we have certain courses run under those collaborations like the CPD affiliation, or some courses under the HSSC also. So it is always a pleasure for me to invite our students in this session and hear out from them about their experience with Unitas, what are the courses they have done, and why they want to tell people that why doing these courses would be very helpful for you. So today it is a pleasure for me to invite Ms. Diksha Sareen to this session. She is herself a nutritionist and has a long experience of working with Max Healthcare. And not only that, with us also she has done the Vedic Advanced Professional course. And let's hear out from Diksha about her experience with One Health and how did she like the course. So a very healthy afternoon to you, Diksha. How are you today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. I'm all well, thank you.
So Diksha, would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers, like what you are doing and how did you come to know about Dr. Shikha Sharma and One Health, and why did you join our course?
See, I am dietitian Diksha Sareen. I'm a diabetic educator as well as a dietitian. Main reason for joining was, see, ma'am, we all know that we are what we eat. I had a knowledge of nutrition and everything, but I wanted to advance my knowledge and broaden my spectrum to know about more about Vedic nutrition. Because I guess Ayurveda is our roots. We must know that our body is made up of the Panch Tattva, and then it has the chakras, and how it is done, how that is influencing our system, because the current scenario and the atmosphere is changing. It is very important to be grounded and to know what all basic things are there, basic remedies from the nature that has been offered to us can be used to heal the human system.
Yeah.
It is not only giving modern like diets like Atkin diets or mono diets or keto diets, but these diets are not in a long run which is going to help you. It is very important to heal the system from where it has come. That is the Panch Tattva. So it's very important to know about the Jathar Agni and how to balance what and you and how to eat according to your Prakriti, whether it is Vata, Pitta, or Kapha, because this is something which I think everybody should know so that an individual can heal his or her own self. They can eat right according to their Tattva, like the Prakriti.
Yes. So
So
very
the main
yeah.
reason for joining was this, to attain knowledge, and I had a fantastic experience. And the counselors and the mentors and the teachers, special thanks to Rupali ma'am. She's incredible. She's a storehouse of knowledge. I hats off to her. I just want to be in touch with her always. बहुत अच्छा समझाती हैं. Any queries, anything, she's always there to ask. She replies instantly on the mails also. Then we had Dr. Alka Mohan session, who's I guess from AIMS.
Yeah.
She gave a very valuable session, a knowledgeable session on hypertension, how to manage the diet on that. I just had one or two queries more that could be included, like the diet in kidneys and like kidney disorders and everything, because वो मेरे को ना reversion नहीं मिला था वहां से institute से. That is the only thing, that the potassium rich, sodium rich foods and everything, उसका थोड़ा detail उन्होंने
So,
काफी देर
Diksha,
शेयर
I
करा.
would like to ask you one more thing, that the Vedic nutrition that you have learned from us, what did you learn basically in it? what was the main learning that you got after doing this course?
Ma'am, the main learning is how to see. I, as an individual, always wanted कि मैं जो खा रही हूँ मुझे पता चले कि मेरे सिस्टम को सूट क्या करेगा.
जी.
आपको सिर्फ वेट लॉस ही नहीं करना होता, आपको ये देखना होता है कि आप सिस्टम को डिटॉक्स कैसे करोगे, क्या चीज खाने से क्या फायदा है. जैसे अगर आप डिटॉक्स वाटर्स पीते हो, आजकल इंटरनेट और इंस्टाग्राम भरा हुआ है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी डाइटिशियंस आर लाइक पुटिंग देयर रील्स एंड पोस्ट, बट हमको नॉलेज ही नहीं है. अगर आपको सीड्स खाने हैं, अगर पीसीओडी हो रहा है, तो आपको बहुत इफेक्टिव एक सीड साइकिल का कंसेप्ट मैम ने समझाया दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो.
Yeah.
How can you be off from medicines and heal the body with just normal herbs, Ayurvedic this thing remedies. Like even if you're diabetic, how much gurmar is good for your health? How much methi dana is good for your head, like for your health? How can you have as in a sprouts also? Then the focus basically is on in Vedic is कि आप नॉर्मल डाइट से भी अपनी आप को हील कर सकते हो. आपको कुछ exotic
Extra लेने की
vegetables,
जरूरत नहीं. Yes, definitely.
exotic vegetables, exotic fruits, chia seeds, avocados, ये सब खाने की जरूरत नहीं होती. आप एक नॉर्मल इंडिविजुअल की लाइफ एक विद साधारण खाना जिसे कहते हैं अन्न, उससे भी आप अपने आप को हील कर सकते हो.
जी,
Then the focus was on this thing, gluten-free diets also, which is very much in these days. And I think to an extent they help a lot. The protein in diabetes and in weight loss, it helps a lot. तो मैम ने मिलेट्स का बड़ा अच्छा बताया. अभी पीछे प्रेजेंटेशन भी हमको दिया था होमवर्क में, मिलेट्स का दो. And then psychologically, how can you heal with the food? How to avoid overeating or binging in meetha khana, meat desserts, or junk food, how to withdraw, how to meditate, and like everything she explained so well. So it was a very learning experience.
So what would you tell our viewers who are watching this session, that why is it important for them to learn these Vedic nutrition courses?
See, whether anybody is from nutrition or not from nutrition, a normal individual can also enroll in the course, because they start from the basic level in which you can just understand truth. They give you detailed notes and detailed theory. Everything is explained. She tells you about the prakriti of an individual. आपके उसके सारे symptoms हैं, characteristics हैं, questionnaires form होते हैं. आप उससे कोरिलेट कर सकते हो कि अच्छा हाँ मेरी ये प्रकृति है, कि मेरे में पित्त ज्यादा है या मेरे में वात ज्यादा है. तो यू कैन इजीली कोरिलेट और अपने आप को आप हील कर सकते हो. आपको किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, और आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा एसिडिटी की दवाइयां खाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Diksha, for your time and giving your insight into about what you have learned, and also how these courses are going to help you, and why people should know about the Vedic nutrition, because it is Ayurveda is a holistic system of medicine. It is
Yeah.
a traditional Indian medicine that helps in balancing our body, mind, and soul. And as you have said, that taking out food from our kitchen only is the best thing that we can do to heal our body. And that is why we say that our food and our kitchen is our pharmacy and our medicine. So
Yeah.
definitely these courses will help you all to know about Vedic nutrition, the importance of Ayurveda, and how by practicing Ayurveda in our day-to-day life can help us to have a healthy life and a long life. So thank you so much to you, Diksha, for joining, and have
Thank
a
you,
great day.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you. I just had an awareness about Dr. Shikha Sharma. Like she had weight loss clinics and all, but I never knew that there was an academy also. So I just came across Facebook only, and then I just saw it. So I enrolled myself. It's a very good thing that she started with.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Thanks a lot.